Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the DIY Mommy's Fall DIY and Decor Challenge. And she wanted us to share with you a DIY or a decor for fall. And I decided that I'm using the Harry Potter theme for my Halloween and fall, and I wanted to make something cute using this beautiful burlap, this roll of burlap, this cute pig that doesn't have the stem, thanks my son because he wants to play with that, and this cute witch hat that you can get at any dollar store. So let's get started. First we're gonna take all of that tinsel that it has. It's a bit hard but not that big of a deal. And after that we're gonna cut all of those thingies that it has on the top part. Now we're gonna make the cute face for our sorting hat. Yes, we're doing a sorting hat. And now I'm gonna make the face sandwiching. Yes, that's the best word for that. The glue, just like that. After I pour some hot glue, then I sandwich it using my burlap. And just like that, we have the face, the eyes. And you're gonna see me struggling with those eyes a little bit more. And now I'm gonna make the mouth. Just like that. Hot glue and then sandwich our fabric. And after that, you see the struggle is real. They don't want to stay open like eyes. And now I'm gonna sandwich my fabric a little bit more, just like that. And I have all of my face for my sorting hat. So now I'm gonna attach my face or my burlap to my witch's hat. Just like that, using hot glue and cutting the piece and adding it to my sorting witch hat. It's still a witch hat until we finish. So you continue adding your burlap to your witch hat, just like that. And when you finish, you're gonna give it good, but not too tight, but a good stretch, but not too tight. And then we're gonna give that pointy part just by bending it just like that and adding a little bit more hot glue. Now we're gonna take our pipe cleaners and we're gonna add them to the bottom part of our shape. And then after we finish with that, I don't have enough brown ones, so I use some green. This is a multicolored sorting hat. And now I'm gonna add the pieces of burlap. So I'm gonna cut almost like 5 inches of burlap, 5 to 6 inches. And then we're gonna roll them like so. And we're gonna make our cute, some sort of bows for our sorting hat. Just like that. We're gonna attach them to our pipe cleaners. And we're gonna repeat those steps all around our sorting hat. Let me show you again how we do it. And then attach it to the pipe cleaner. Go all around your sorting hat. And this is how it looks when it's finished. To give it the brown color, we're gonna use the Harry's paint on walnut, so it looks a lot more like the sorting hat color instead of burlap like a scarecrow. So we're gonna give it a good spray paint and it will help with the fraying of the burlap. So let's get started. Now we're gonna give it a good dry brush, and for that we're gonna use those paints and those brushes so I can paint the eyes and also give it a good dry brush. To start the dry brushing effect, we're gonna use our paint and we're gonna dry brush the face like we are highlighting with a cute highlighter. This is just like makeup. And now we're gonna give it a good dry brush or highlighter effect. And we're gonna dry brush all of it so it shows, because when the spray paint dries, it's gonna be a bit more dark. And we're gonna need that to show a little bit better the details of our cute sorting hat. That's why we're giving it this dry brushing effect. And now I'm gonna take the black paint and I'm gonna paint the eyes with that black paint and his mouth, just like that, using the black paint to give it a bit more dimension. And also we're gonna paint the tip of the hat. And that's it. You have your cute sorting hat. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have the bottom and the face, the cute face of the sorting hat, the tip. And let me give you a closer look over here, the dry brush effect. That's the cute face and our pig that doesn't have the stem on the pumpkin. Thanks to my son. This is how it looks in the description box down below. I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to our challenge host. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Christina for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.